Hello guys and welcome to another video, another navigation unit for a BMW, this time for a BMW 1 Series E88 that doesn't have any infotainment system whatsoever, or at least any screen. You can buy this head unit from carputech.com, and on their website they have various specs, various navigation system for other BMW models. So check out their website and you will definitely find a suitable solution for your car. Our package contains a detailed instructions manual, all the necessary wiring, plastic frame in order to support the touchscreen, some screws, a glue tape so we can use to cut the hole in the dashboard, of course an iDrive button, very useful, very nice, the corresponding cables, a microphone, and of course the screen itself. So the installation is very simple. First thing you have to do is remove the plastic trim. Then you have to remove the air conditioning controls and the original infotainment system box. And the next step is to glue in place this white sticker that is included in the box, and that will help you see which is the area that needs to be cut from the upper part of the dashboard. So after everything is in place, you can use a cutter to draw a line onto that specific area, and then with the cutting tool you can make the needed hole for the new navigation screen. So the next step is to make all the necessary, so all the wires have to be put in place on the back of the dashboard, and then rest assured, because you have an instructions manual, an installation scheme, and everything is very simple. You have this plastic frame that comes into place on top of the dashboard, and the guys from CarPlay also included 2 screws that will hold everything in place and will fit perfectly. After all this is done, you can proceed with the connection of all the cables on the back of the screen. And next you should also connect the BMW iDrive button if your car doesn't have one. In our case, we installed this head unit on a right-hand drive BMW model. We had to buy a different support for the iDrive buttons. If you are going to order this device from their website, they will deliver the left-hand side model for the iDrive buttons. So rest assured everything is covered. And after you connected the iDrive, our advice is to test every function of the new infotainment screen, infotainment system, and if everything works, you can proceed and finish the overall installation. So this is the final result. This is how the new infotainment screen looks like. It's a 10.3-inch display. It's based on Android 14. It comes with built-in GPS, with wireless or wired Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, online and offline navigation. It retains all the OEM steering wheel controls, iDrive knobs, or rear view camera if your car has one. It also features a Bluetooth connection and Wi-Fi connection and 4G LTE support using a SIM card. As you saw in this video, everything is plug and play with all the harnesses included. It's compatible with a wide range of BMW 1 Series, and you can choose between various specs like 4 gigs of RAM, 64 gigs of internal storage, 8 gigs 128, 8 256, or even the top spec, which is 12 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs of internal storage. You can navigate through this infotainment system in 2 ways. First, using the BMW iDrive button that is included in the box, or if your car has it, it will also work. Then using the touchscreen. Both methods are responsive and very fast. When it comes to the operating system, you can either choose the CarPlay or the Android Auto ecosystem with a simplified screen with apps like phone, messages, WhatsApp, Google Maps, Apple Maps for the CarPlay, TomTom Go, and so on. Or you can use the Android-based operating system with apps like Chrome, YouTube, Google Maps, Play Store, and with a Play Store account or with a Google account, you can install any other app in the Play Store without any problem. So you will be able to use streaming apps like Netflix, HBO Go, Amazon Prime, navigation apps like Waze, like TomTom Go. Another important feature, the split screen display, which makes the operation more convenient and faster. It also has a built-in DSP sound effect processor with various scene modes, pop music, rock music, theater music, and so on. And of course, it doesn't matter in which country you live in, because the shipping is worldwide with reliable service. So if you want to buy the product, check out the link in the video description, and if you have other questions, feel free to ask me in the comment section. Thank you for watching, and until next time, drive safe and take care. Bye bye.